of the collection is Paris. There are skirts with blouses and a lot of short jackets with boots. It being autumn, that's how we've done the whole thing.
What I love the most about what I'm wearing at least is the play with the texture and fabric, and most importantly the embroidery, which I find is very exquisite. And I feel like all the looks are very, for the young woman of today.
Streetwear is such an important influence in fashion. Everywhere in the world, everyone quotes the street, everyone looks at the street and say, Milan, Paris, everywhere. But nobody looks at the Indian streets. So we realized that if we are going to be inspired by street fashion, we have to look at our streets. And these are the people I see, this color, the life, the salwars, the churidars, the bags. And I think it's just inspiring. If we look at India, we look at royal India, palaces and maharanis and queens. But I think what's happening on the street is actually very vital.
This collection was with Nexa and the whole theme was supposed to be monochromatic. Gauri and our designs are always very feminine and very glamorous, but I think this time we kind of followed this Bond girl theme, so it was very sexy, the whole thing, even the hair, the makeup, larger than life. So we had huge 3D flowers, massive black and white and chrome embroidery. Everything was very, very sexy, I thought, and I think it came together really well. We were really excited to be showing today.